Hello, welcome to my channel. Now in this lesson we're going to learn about advanced filters with function-driven criteria. Now you notice that when a company conducts a physical stock check of its inventory, there will always be some errors in the count. Auditors have to verify the accuracy of a stock check. To do this, they extract some random samples in order to establish the likely margin of error. In this lesson, you will take the inventory workbook and extract an auditing sample by using an advanced filter in conjunction with a mod. This is also called a modulus or remainder function. Okay, so you're going to use the mod function in conjunction with an advanced filter to show one transaction in every 5 so that you can sample 1 in 5, that is 20% of the products to check during the audit. Now for this purpose, we shall open inventory 3 from the sample files folder, from the session 1 sample files folder. Please open inventory 3, click enable editing. Okay, add a column to the left of the range, head it with the text NO, and format the column header to match the style in the other header columns and fill the column with incremental numbers, just like this. Right click, insert, type NO, copy the format from here using the format painter. Alright, there you go. So our new column has exactly the same format as the other columns, as you can see. Alright, now type the numbers 1 in cell A7, then 2 in cell A8. Okay, and increment them all the way down, just like that. All right. Now next we want to add a mod function to cell A2 that will return true when the value in cell A7 is divisible by 5. Okay, the mod function. Click in cell A2, click FX, and search for a function called mod. Click go. Now the mod function appears. Select it, click OK. Alright, so what does the mod function do? It returns the remainder after a number is divided by a divisor. So in this case our number is a 7 and the divisor is 5. Click OK. Now go to the formula bar and type is equal to 0 right there. Okay, now enter. Alright, so it returns false. Now this is because the number in cell A7, the value 1, is not evenly divisible by 5. And that's why we have a false. Now let's apply an advanced filter using the criteria in cell A1 to A2. You will notice that you didn't type the word NO into cell A1, just like this NO. You didn't type it in cell A1. For a function-driven filter, you must leave the cell above the formula blank. And this will tell the advanced filter to work directly upon the result of the function. So let's apply the advanced filter. We learned how to do this in a previous lesson. Step 1, click inside the data that you want to filter. Step 2, go to the data tab Step 3, sort and filter group, click advanced. Okay, so the list range is okay. It's not okay. You can see he's selecting from B6, so we shall edit. Our range should start from A6. A6. See, right from there all the way down. Okay, to G75. Okay, and our criteria range is not correct, so I will select whatever is in the criteria range box and delete it, and then select my criteria range A1 to A2, and then I will click the OK button. Okay, see the result. You will note that the numbers in column A now read 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on and so forth in increments of 5. The list now contains the 20% sample needed for the audit. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, and you'll also remember, or I'll remind you, that we run in-house trainings at an affordable price. I mean, we can negotiate the price. We also do one-on-one trainings where you meet one-on-one with a trainer. We also conduct off-site trainings at workshops. You can contact the number below in case you are interested. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day.